Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video I thought I would share with you a great seniors workout at home, doing some great walking exercises. Now first things first, I like to start off with actually just wearing really comfortable clothes. If you're wearing stretchy jeans or a pair of jogging bottoms, that's fine. You don't have to have any fancy gear. I haven't got anything on my feet, but if you want, you can wear trainers if you like, but I'm just doing this barefooted. So what we're going to do first is just to stand nice and straight, and just roll our shoulders back a bit, just to set them, and then just roll them back and set them in place so we're nice and straight and in alignment. Placing our hand onto our belly, and just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement. So let's just start to walk and march on the spot. Now we can incorporate our arms as well and just go to whatever is comfortable for you. Start off slow, remembering to hold that engagement, that core. And then if you like, you can go a little bit faster. And if you want, you can just rise your arms up into the air while still marching and come back down. Let's do this 5 times. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. And keep marching. And slow down. So now what we're going to do, we're going to come to the side, come back to the middle with our leg, and come back again. And let's do this again 8 times on each side, remembering to keep the shoulders nice and straight, core engaged. 5 more times. And 4. Whoops. And 3, and if you like, you can use your arms as well. 2, and 1, and come back into position, trying to not to knock anything over in the process. So now let's just take our hands and let's just tap onto our knee, come back up, tap on our knee, come back up. And we're alternating our legs. So let's do this for 8 times on each side. So lifting up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, and 8, and keep jogging on the spot, well, walking on the spot. So now we're going to come forward, come back, come forward, come back, and we're just going to come forward and back, first of all starting with our right leg, then we go on to our left afterwards. So starting with the right, coming forward, coming back with the right leg, forward and back, always with the right leg. Let's go to the other side so you can see. So let's do this 5 more times. And 3 more times. And come back and just march on the spot. Now let's go onto the other leg. So again, coming forward on the opposite leg now and coming back for 8 times. And 5 more times. Remember to incorporate the legs if you like. And march on the spot. So now we're going to just take our hands and make a fist, and let's just come up with our and actually clench them and just come up to really help with the arms as well, and come down. Come down. And let's just do this 8 times. So 1, 2, remembering to keep that core engaged. 6, 7, and 8. And keep walking and start to slow up. And then you can come to a nice still position. So if you like, let's just do a little stretch. So just placing our legs out and just bend the leg to the side. Just stretching the inner thigh, making sure that your knee isn't going over your toes, and then coming back and onto the other side. And gently come back up, and then just placing one leg forward, the other leg behind, and just gently stretch out that back calf. And come back and onto the other leg, leg behind, and just slightly come forward. Remembering to keep that core nice and engaged. And gently come back out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up, and please comment down below and tell me where you're from. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.